So whenever I tell my clients to incorporate more shiny bush in their meals, they ask me how. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make shiny bush stir fry. I'm also going to be talking about the diseases that you can use shiny bush for. But first of all, let's talk about the ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to be needing some ugu, some mushrooms, some chili peppers and onions, shiny bush itself, of course. Slice them every ingredient all up. Pound your peppers. And now let's do this stir fry while I tell you what shiny bush can do for you. Get out your olive oil and fry your proteins. Set aside. And you can start with your onions and just let this fry a bit. Add in your ginger. So guys, let's talk about shiny bush for a bit. So here are probably things that you didn't know about this wonderful plant that you're going to be hearing probably for the first time in this video. So I usually recommend shiny bush for my clients with staphylococcus or anything inflammation related, like joint pain, arthritis, body pains in general, or even teas. And this is because you can use shiny bush for a lot of things. Like shiny bush is my go-to feminine energy plant because it is an analgesia. It relaxes your nerves. Shiny bush nourishes your fallopian tube. Yes, that is the very organ that makes you female. Talk about feminine energy out loud. So any problem with the fallopian tube, blocked fallopian tube, problem with fallopian tube, be sure that shiny bush should be included. Apart from the fact that it calms your nerves, anything that has to do with pain, it just takes away pain in your body. So if you have arthritis or joint pain or general pain in your body, it might even be on an energetic level, like you're not just calm, you don't feel strong, like you don't feel calm. You can infuse and drink it as tea every morning. It is a good way to keep your immune system boosted and strong because it actually has antimicrobial properties that fight off fungi and bacteria at the same time. So guys, there you have it. So you can use this as a side dish for your rice, for your yam, for your plantain, just enjoy away. I'm going to be using this, however, for rice. Okay guys, you can also add this to your edika ikong soup or efo riro. Bye.